Good morning, I'm Nashika, and this is Chale News for Tuesday, June 10th. Big morning. The Asantehene did what the government couldn't, ending the KATH doctors' strike. NPP social media communicators are being picked up faster than they can leave courtrooms, and the Black Stars are on the training pitch as the World Cup opens today. Let's get into it. The KATH crisis has been developing for days now, and here's how it ended. Not with a government press conference, not with an NLC order. Otumfuo Ose Tutu II stepped in personally on Monday, and within hours the KADA doctors suspended their 4-day strike. Let that sink in. Every official channel failed. One king succeeded. The underlying dispute over the CEO's suspension? Still unresolved. Watch this space. The legal crackdown on NPP social media communicators is accelerating, and yesterday was something. Kennedy Nahira, known online as Nana Ado Nyame, was remanded into custody for 2 weeks. On that same day, TikTokers Fante Comedy and Yera Abiwu, who had just been discharged by a different court, were rearrested outside the building. Same day, different courts. This pattern is hard to ignore. Full breakdown on Chale.news. While ordinary Ghanaian fans are getting visa rejections at the U.S. Embassy, the minority is alleging that NDC MPs received 2 World Cup travel slots each, and every NDC constituency got 3. The government has not responded. Not a word. And for fans who do have visas, there's a new problem. The U.S. has banned non-citizens who recently transited through DRC, Uganda, or South Sudan. Ghana plays in Atlanta on June 21st and 23rd. Any Ghanaian who passed through those countries could be turned away at the border. The GFA and Sports Ministry haven't said a thing. Someone needs to be talking about this urgently. The Stars themselves, though, they look focused. The Black Stars were training at DC United's facility in Virginia on Tuesday, hours before the tournament officially opened. Group L, Panama first, then England on the 23rd, then Croatia. Ghana is ready. Residents of Mandari in the Savannah region have had enough. After 34 straight years of voting NDC, they marched through town on Monday, carrying carpets out of the local clinic to show what's being used as beds inside. They're demanding a real clinic, an SHS, and jobs. With NDC support also cratering in Ashanti, this is more than a protest. It's a warning the ruling party cannot afford to ignore. On the flooding front, President Mahama landed from the UK and Belarus and immediately ordered NADMO to map all encroached waterways in Accra, with demolitions potentially to follow. No deadline was given. Meanwhile, in Ingleshi Amanfro, River J has already burst its banks, destroyed Peacetown's only bridge, and left hundreds stranded, with no confirmed NADMO response as of Monday. The orders are there. The people are waiting. In the Bishu Galamsey trial, a High Court judge struck out key hearsay evidence from the prosecution's star witness statement on Monday. That witness takes the stand on Wednesday. The state's case just got significantly narrower. Read the full analysis on Chale.news. A teacher at Ninahin Catholic SHS in Ashanti has been filmed punching, beating, and slamming a female student. The NCPTA is calling it torture and demanding criminal prosecution and immediate interdiction. There is no other word for what's on that video. 7,000 Ghanaian women develop obstetric fistula every year. Fewer than 200 get treatment. Over 12,000 women are living with the condition right now. MP Patricia Appiah brought this to Parliament on Monday, calling for NHIA and Mahamacare to cover the 5,000 Ghanaian cetus surgery cost. This is a crisis hiding in plain sight. Big structural news from the Ghana-UK Investment Summit. Cocobot is close to replacing its major offshore syndicated loan, one of Ghana's largest annual foreign borrowings, with a domestic commercial paper program backed by pension funds and local banks. If this lands, it's a genuine shift in how Ghana finances its most important export. Ghana's top yam-producing region, Oti, brought in over 873,000 metric tons last year. But broken feeder roads mean farmers are either selling at rock-bottom prices or watching produce rot before it reaches market. No government road program targets the region. Every time you pay more for yam, remember this story. Something to smile about. Gyaki has landed a feature on Ronaldinho's World Cup album Camisa 10 on a track called Call Me, released right as the tournament opens. Ghana on the pitch and on the playlist. That's a good week. And Caveman Watches, the luxury watchmaker built right here in Accra, has made Forbes Africa's 2026 Africa Undiscovered edition, selling into Europe, North America, the Middle East. Redefining what Made in Africa looks like. Anthony Zemefe, we see you. That's your June 10th digest, Chale. Every story we covered today has deeper reporting waiting for you at chale.news. Stay informed and have a good one.